approximately 30 brands in our store. Some of the products from those brands are exclusively being exposed in the Expo 2020 Dubai.
Product that is lying before me, that is the gold jewelry. It's amazing because being in India, we are very fond of gold, and I find that these designs are very up to date and something which I can wear even to festive occasions, or even for daily use, or in my official meetings also I can wear them.
I found the food products very interesting, especially the different oils and the sweets, and also the jewelry, because very aesthetic designs, so nice and so different.
What I found really interesting is the t-shirt of Real Madrid, and it's so amazing. Especially it has, this one has a lot of signature of nowadays players, so that's so great.
Throughout this 6 months, we've realized that the nationals that are most interested in our brands are locals from the UAE.